We're making spicy Bofrot or puff puff. This is delicious, easy to make, and I hope you try this amazing recipe. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I added in warm water. I added in some of the sugar and then dry active yeast. I then stirred and then let this sit for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes that the yeast has activated, I went ahead and added in the rest of the sugar. I added in powdered milk, chili powder, ground cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, and stir till well combined. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after everything has come together, I added in the flour, and the last ingredient going in was salt. So with my wooden spoon, I went ahead and mixed it well combined before adding in the rest of the flour. Go ahead and mix it till well combined, and then it shouldn't be, the consistency should be as seen in the video. You do not want it too thick, either too light. It should be something like this when done. Cover it with a cling film and let it double in size. So once the dough has doubled in size, go ahead and preheat your oil. Bring out the dough, deflate it, and this is ready to fry. So when frying it, all you have to do is to bring some with your palm and then use your palm to smoothen it before cutting it in the oil. This is very easy. If not, you can use the ice cream scooper to scoop it in, and it's it's the easiest way. So go ahead and scoop all in, stay close to it and keep turning it. You do not want to overload it, either too small. If it's small, it's difficult for you to turn it, but if it's if it's full enough that they can support each other, that's the point where if you flip it, it will stay where it is. So go ahead and keep turning, fry it until it is ready and you are good to go. So because of the powdered pepper, the ginger, the ground cloves that I added to it, Mama Mia, this was delicious. You need to try this amazing recipe and let me know if you like it in the comment section. When you get to this point, it is ready. Remove it from the oil and drain the excess oil on a paper towel. Wow, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and give me a credit.